So everyone, let's talk about this beautiful question of algebra. And this is a very easy question. You just need to find this one, right? And it is not that tough because you know already that x plus 1 upon x. If you do the whole square of it, the value is given like a square plus b square plus 2 multiplied by a and multiplied by b, right? Now what we need to think of is that we can divide this x by x. And obviously because I want to calculate the value of this stuff, right? X plus 1 over x. I want to know this one. But in reality, I know the value of this one. So if I put the value of this one here, for like the value of x square plus 1 over x square is like 79. And this 2 is positive here. And I can like x plus 1 over x. And when I take that square over there, it will become a square root, right? 79 plus 2 is like root 81. And the root 81 is like 9. So you can say that value of, you can get the final answer here, right? X plus 1 over x is actually equals to 9. So I think you understand the answer, right? Okay. Thank you so much everyone for seeing the solution. And if you have any idea or suggestions for me, please comment in the chat box. Thank you so much.